Today I am going to do the sneak peek DNA gender test. I am 8 weeks along today, and it says that you can take this test as early as 8 weeks gestation. This would be the very earliest that I've ever tried to find out the gender of the sex of the baby. I was 11 weeks when I took the sneak peek test with Milo, and it was correct for him. With Ren, I just found out at 16 weeks at an early gender ultrasound place. So anyway, I'm gonna do this. It does require being very careful so as to not contaminate the sample at all. So I'm gonna take you guys through the process of how I take the test and how I did it with my last baby, and it was accurate with him. So hopefully it's accurate again this time. So I am going to take the test here in my kitchen. It is recommended not to do it in a bathroom because if you have a husband or a son, then the bathroom is likely full of male DNA. My workspace is just my kitchen island right here. I've kind of cleared off all of the clutter and sprayed it down with this Clorox cleaner plus bleach spray. It says it kills 99.9% of bacteria and viruses. So yeah, TJ's not home right now, but he probably will be home soon, so I'm trying to do this before he gets back. My first step was to spray down the kitchen island with the bleach spray so as to kill any little germs or DNA contamination, whatever, just clean slate. I'm going to let that sit for a few minutes, and then I'll wipe it all down with a paper towel. I don't really want to rush this process at all because when you rush, that's when contamination can happen, and I'm just trying to be as careful as possible. I'm also going to tie my hair back in just a minute. Right now, even as I clean off the countertops, my hands are contaminated. So before I continue cleaning them off anymore, I'm gonna go ahead and wash my hands. I'll probably be washing them again somewhere in this process. Alright, that was just a preliminary hand wash. I'm probably gonna do it again in just a minute. Alright, so I have bleached the countertops, let it sit for several minutes, wiped it down, bleached it again, wiped it down, and then I just Lysoled the entire countertop. And my hands are clean, but I'm gonna wash them again before I do the actual test. I just wanted to kind of cut down on the number of germs and contaminants on my hands because I cleaned off this space and I don't want to get any male DNA on the counter. All right, so here's what it comes with. It comes with a bag for you to mail back to them. Here is the box. So these are the instructions, and I'm just gonna open them up and lay them all out. So it says, first you have to activate your kit. Find your barcode number under the clear return container box. So this is my barcode number. Locate a clean surface to collect your sample. All right, so this is my clean surface. Clean table with household cleaner or warm soapy water. Drink a full 8-ounce glass of water. I need to drink some water. Obviously this is more than 8 ounces and I'm not gonna drink the whole thing. I think the point is they just want you to be hydrated before you get the blood sample collected. So the next step is step 3, which is to sanitize your hands. Wash hands with warm water and soap for 2 minutes and let air dry. Then you remove the nail brush and you wash hands in warm water and soap and use the nail brush. Scrub under your fingernails, scrub around your fingertips. Air dry by shaking your hands. Avoid contamination by not touching anything except the test items. Okay, so once I wash my hands at this point, I can't touch anything but the test items. I'm gonna go wash my hands again. I'll be back in a few minutes. I'm officially sanitized. My hands are clean. Setting up collection tube and lancet. Okay, so we have this box here. This is the collection tube. All right, it says remove and place the following items on your clean surface. The collection tube, 3 lancets, 3 alcohol swabs, clear return box, plastic bag with biohazard label. Okay, so first we're gonna open the lid. Select the hand that you will use. I'll use my dominant hand. Rotate your arm in circles, trying to get the blood flowing. Put tourniquet on. Alright, so this next part is going to show blood, just as a warning. If anybody is squeamish and doesn't want to see blood, then don't watch this part. Clean the fingertip with an alcohol swab. All right, here we go. All right, now we close the lid. Tap the tube on the tabletop with the lid side facing down. One, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay. I think that's it. That was pretty easy. Hopefully there was no contamination. I did my best, but it's in here. It's all packaged and ready to go. I'm gonna go stick this out in the mailbox for the mail person to pick it up. So I should get the results in, I don't know, a day, I think, maybe tomorrow. That's that. Hi guys, so I took that sneak peek test yesterday, and earlier this afternoon I got the email that said that my results were being processed. And then I just got the email that my results were in, and how it was with Milo last time was you click on the email and then you had to click on something else and then it would tell you the result. But this time it was just all there. So I saw it accidentally. I was gonna try to wait for TJ to get home and look together. But that didn't happen. I am so excited. I can't believe it. I don't know. But yeah, anyway. Okay.